Hello, everybody. We make a pasta with a fettuccine. No, wait. We make a pasta with a shrimp Alfredo. It's so delicious. A lot of people ask me, the people say, Pasquale, next time you make a pasta with the shrimp Alfredo, make sure that the shrimp be one lot of cheese. Oh, I say, okay, cheese. And we use with the cheese. Now, first thing we gotta start with the pasta. It take a little long time to cook. And for the pasta, I got the water over there boil already, and let's put salt. It's a lot of water. Okay, you need the salt. And this is the pasta, and let's pour the pasta. Look how beautiful, nice.
What do you want, 10 minutes on there?
10 minutes. I got the fork over here. Look at this. Nice. I use the wood because I used to scrape my pots. Got my pots. I got to take care of my pots. They keep nice all the time. Okay, if this done, now we put the gas on over here because we got to do the shrimp.
Hey, Carol, thanks for the stars.
Okay, now this is for the shrimp. Okay. And we bring over here the garlic. Okay, and I need the butter over here. Okay, I got the little spoon over here.
Hey, what's up, Bill? What's up?
Okay, I gotta start to drink a little wine. Okay, now let's put the garlic. All right. It look up nice shrimp I got. I clean up really nice. Look at that.
So happy to see him live. That's Suzanne said that. Just to remind everybody, we're live every Tuesday at around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Okay, now this is done already, the shrimp. For the garlic, kind of one. Okay. And let's take this dish out. And this is the shrimp. Let's spread all over the place like that. Okay. And the shrimp, a little salt. A black pepper. Okay, and let's make it nice for the pasta. Okay. And the shrimp now.
Yeah, if anyone's interested in this recipe, you just do a hashtag yummy, and that'll be sent directly to your inbox.
And we need a little butter. The butter give a nice, okay. Do not cook too long the shrimp. Okay, after the shrimp you gotta cook in a. I got the heavy cream mix, half and a half of cream.
Wow, we have 1,000 people watching. Awesome. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Make sure to hit the like button.
Thank you. Chin chin, salute everybody. Chin chin, salute. I like to see a lot of people.
Yeah, if you do a hashtag yummy, you usually get that sent to your inbox faster than a Ferrari can go to 0 to 60.
Okay, look at the shrimp. Now, somebody want to know the size of this shrimp? It's a 16 to 20 per pound. Okay, now the shrimp, you say, Pasquale, what happened? You don't drink wine and not give it to me? I'll give it to you too, shrimp. Okay. But I put the parts over here. Good. We leave it evaporated the wine, everything. And look how beautiful the shrimp, nice. Oh, I forgot to tell everybody, when I clean the shrimp, the shell, I make the stock. This is the shrimp stock I was making. Look how beautiful color. Really, really good.
Are you going to use that?
Yeah, I gotta use it for the pasta, for everything.
Where are you from in Italy?
I'm a Pugliese, Foggia, Puglia. So somebody want to go to my city, I give you the address, everything. Nice city. And you can stay night time on the street and you enjoy yourself. We take it out the shrimp now. Okay. All right, we leave it right over here. And now we raise the flame a little bit for this.
If you don't want to read the comments, you could actually swipe them over to the side and it won't take up all the space.
Okay, now we got an F and a half cream. Yeah, we leave it. Gotta boil this nice. And we put it again a little salt, not too much. A little more black pepper. I got another piece of butter over here.
If anyone's interested in the apron, you just do a hashtag merch and that'll be sent to you. We also have these. And some of these. Hashtag merch.
Okay. I want to take
Bill said 3 minutes.
for the pasta.
Yeah.
3 minutes. Okay, we gotta find that now. Little long more, maybe. And look, this is beautiful that. Okay. Now the shrimp still you gotta cook a little bit more. Okay? And we gotta cook inside over here.
Yeah, we could also do without the riffraff in the comments too.
All right, now
Specifically to Remac.
we put the shrimp over here. Take this out.
So the shrimp are overcooked?
Still you gotta cook. I gotta put the pasta inside. And we cook it together. A little bit more.
No, just saying there's people in the comments that are saying that it's too overcooked.
It's overcooked? No. You know, I like to cook a shrimp. I was a cook of shrimp when I was 16 years old in Italy, in Torino. We was eat a lot of shrimp over there. It's same thing a lot of people, you know, you make a shrimp cocktail. I told you the truth. And when I look at the way he cook the shrimp cocktail, it come out mush mush. But I like the shrimp to be nice standing up. And look this. You see? Okay, now it's a time of the pasta.
Yep, Bill just said time is up. And big thank you to Trish for the 200 stars.
Thank you very much. Good.
And Sean, thank you for the stars. You guys all make this show possible, so thanks for making it exciting for us to come back every week. Thank you.
Okay, now this is the fish stock. We put a little bit. If I need more. If this is one you can freeze, okay? You know why? I think the best thing
Olivia said, thank you for sending the recipe faster than a Ferrari. You're welcome.
now cheese. Cheese.
For everyone asking why this recipe is banned in Italy, here you go. Hopefully no one from Italy is watching.
Somebody said to me, Pasquale, don't forget the cheese. Nice. Oh, I gotta enjoy this.
Debbie said, how are things in Long Branch?
Well, it's really good. Yesterday we was on Broadway to the Long Branch, It was really hot. No?
Did you have a nice brunch?
Yeah, and the other day I was going at Lombrange Avenue. It was get the what do you call it? The restaurant in Lombrange. Oh, Lombrange. Okay, and now we do cin cin e salute everybody. Cin cin, salute.
Oh, yeah. What cheese did you use?
It's a pecorino cheese, but you can use any kind of the cheese, especially one that's with the fish. The cheese, you go every place with the fish. Oh, the fish love cheese.
Yeah, we got to change that old saying where you can't mix it.
Okay, it's it. Now I need a dish for me, and we load the flame. It's it. Now, come on. Okay, shrimp. Good. Good. Now we bring over here. Little wine. Don't forget the cheese. A little fresh parsley from my garden. Look at this, how beautiful. I got the parsley like this. Beautiful. And I got my oil, baby. Huh? Mm.
With the, oh yeah, baby pepper?
It's really hot. Look at the shrimp, are beautiful. And now, you see how crunchy?
If you're interested in a recipe, just do a hashtag yummy in the comments and it'll be sent to you faster than a Ferrari can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour.
Mm-hmm. It's a salute at Cingina, everybody. Thank you very much to look at this video. On Tuesday, we cook a 6 or 6 story every week. I hope somebody like this pasta. It's so delicious with the shrimp. It's so good. And we see next week again, like I said, and thank you very much, everybody. Okay? And we do cin cin and salute together. Cin cin. Okay. Thank you.
Just do a big thank you to Diane for stars because she says we never say
Thank you very much. What's it, Diane?
Diane, yeah.
Diane, thank you very much. You know why? I do extra cin cin with you. Cin cin. Salute. Thank you.